Think about your favorite pet. Now put Charlie or Duke Fluffington in a box. Along with Duke Fluffy, add in, and you have some choices here, either a tad of gunpowder that has a 50% chance of exploding and a 50% chance of doing absolutely nothing, if you're Einsteinian, or if you want to go old school, drop in a flask of deadly poison, something radioactive, and a Geiger counter, or any of those other radioactivity counters you have on your nightstand. We're going to go old school, so now the contents of our box looks something like this. Once you've settled Duke Fluffy down, close the box. Make sure you or anyone else can't see inside. Cats have sharp claws, I know, so make sure you close that box up really good. Preferably close this box with lots and lots of books. Now walk away. Eat some ice cream, make a smoothie, clean the litter box. During the time you are gone, the radioactive material could decay, setting off the Geiger counter, which breaks the vial, deadly poison, which kills the cat. Or the radioactive material doesn't decay, the Geiger counter isn't set off, the flask of deadly poison doesn't break, and Duke Fluffington lives to see another day. Either one of these scenarios could happen, and while you're away, you don't know what has happened. Assuming our box is soundproof, which it is, when you come back to your box, you still won't know what has happened because you can't hear Duke Fluffy inside. This is called a superposition. A superposition is when there are two possibilities that could occur. Until you know which possibility has occurred, both are happening at the same time. In this case, Duke Fluffy could be dead, or he could be alive and waiting for his next meal. These two possibilities occur at the same time until we open and look into the box. When we look, we force nature to pick between the two possibilities, and what we see is our reality. So here, it's our reality that Duke Fluffington is indeed alive. Guys, I'm not a cat killer. Now, this kitty cat example that I've been using is actually a famous thought experiment by physicist Erwin Schrodinger. His thought experiment? Schrodinger's cat. Schrodinger's cat, which works with the idea of superpositions, allows two possibilities to exist at the same time until nature falls into one reality, the reality that we experience. This pops up a lot in quantum physics, where a quantum particle could be in one of two states. Until we measure the quantum particle state, the particle is in both state 1 and 2. Now, let's let this quantum kitty get some rest.